On a silent night, May, a young woman living alone in a small apartment, heard a faint sound coming from the wall beside her bed. It sounded disturbingly human, like someone breathing very close to her ear. She leaned in and realized the sound came from the power socket. Thinking it might be air pressure or a wiring issue, she ignored it and went back to sleep. The next night, the sound grew louder, accompanied by flickering light inside the socket. When May peered closer, she saw something move within the darkness, a shape that looked like an eye staring back at her. Terrified, she unplugged every cord from the wall, but the breathing didn't stop. Instead, a faint smell of decay began to drift from the holes, as if something alive was trapped inside. May sealed the sockets with tape, but during the night, the tape pushed outward from the inside, one by one, as the breathing grew heavier, like it was trying to get out. The next morning, an electrician opened the wall, only to find a human eye embedded among the wires and veins twisted into pulsating cables. May moved out that very day, leaving the apartment empty. Yet every night, faint breathing still echoed from its power sockets. Moral: the comforts of home may also be the openings through which something watches us.